Hello everyone, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting job opportunity for all of you, which is from GeekyAnts. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. So for now, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, this is the job application portal of GeekyAnts India. The link of the job I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the locations, the roles and responsibilities, the educational qualification, the selection procedure, and also at last I'll tell you what is the CTC which is offered by GeekyAnts for this position. So here you can see that the location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. And the position is JavaScript engineer, and freshers are allowed to apply for this position. Moving further, here is the job description. They are looking for passionate software engineer to design, develop and install software applications. Software engineer responsibilities include gathering user requirements, defining system functionalities and writing code in full stack, using all of these mentioned here. Now coming to the responsibilities, you have to execute full software development lifecycle, which is SDLC, and also develop flowcharts and layouts, write well-designed and testable code, produce specifications and determine operational feasibility, integrate software components, develop software verification plans, document and maintain software functionality, troubleshoot and debug problems, deploy programs, comply with project plans, and also ensure software is updated with the latest features. Now coming to the educational qualifications, you must have exposure in developing software as a full stack, React or Node.js, React, Node.js, AWS, Vue, Angular developer. Excellent knowledge of relational databases, SQL and ORM technologies. Familiarity with code versioning tools such as Git. Ability to understand development requirements, and also a knack for benchmark and optimizing. Here is some description about the company. You can read it out very carefully. So, I want to tell you here that the selection procedure is quite long. There are 6 stages. First one is the communication and technical assignments. After this, there will be a coding assignment. After clearing the coding assignment, you will have an interview with engineering team. And post clearing this, you will have an interview with engineering director. And after clearing this, you will have interview with CTO, COO or CEO of the company. And post clearing all the 5 steps, you will have an HR discussion. And I want to tell you that every round is an elimination round, so you have to be very careful. Here you can see that it is a full-time opportunity and 15 positions are available. Salary will be between 4 to 6 LPA, which I believe is very good for a fresher. And experience required is 0 to 1 year. That is 2021 and 2020 batch students can apply in this position. To apply for this position, click on this apply button. Also, I would like to tell you that kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for regular placement guidance. After clicking on this apply button, you will be asked to sign in, and post signing in you have to upload your resume and fill some basic details and click on apply button. Then you are good to go. So apply for this opportunity right now. It is a very good opportunity for freshers. All the very best and thank you.